Here is how to create a simple navigation bar like this. This navigation bar consists of the links like the home, about, services and contacts. Whenever you visit a site, the first thing that is on top is called the navigation bar. It helps you do some quick things. So first of all, we'll start with the pre-made code for us. So we'll change the title to navigation bar. If I head over to the Chrome browser now, you see that on top the name of the tab has been changed to navigation bar. That's just how simple the design websites, but it gets complex when you move forward. So right now we're just going to do something. We're just going to start creating the content of the navigation bar. First of all, we'll call an element and then we'll give it a class of nav bar. It's very simple. All these languages are just the names that those people give it. We'll give it a logo. The logo, your company logo will be there. Look at it there. You give your company logo to be there, and then you create a list of the links that you want on the home, be about, the services, and then look at them. They are right there. Wait for it. We are coming there. We are going to style it, and then you are going to create the H1. That is the heading one, the big text that is showing that that's all about navigation bar. And then we're going to copy the font. You know that font is not stylish enough. We'll copy it and then we'll paste it right in the head of our navigation of our HTML this thing code. Then we are done with this. Let's go to CSS, where we're going to style it. We're going to make everything look better. We're going to give it a margin of 0, padding of 0, and then box sizing. We're going to give it border box. As you can see, everything has moved to the left hand side, and then we're going to give the font, which is popping. As you can see, everything is becoming stylish. And then we're going to give the nav bar a display flex, and then we're going to shift the links to the other side, and then we're going to align everything in the center, change the background color to black, and then now we're going to make this thing white, and then we're going to start the nav links. We're going to give it a text decoration of none so that it will not be underlined, and then we'll give it a color of white. After the color of white, we're going to give the list type none so that all those bullets will be removed from that place, and then we'll change this thing to display flex so that all the links will be on one line, and then we're going to give it a padding so that there will be space inside the navigation bar, and the logo will change it to a font width. As you can see, we'll have to bold this and give it a color of orange, maybe a bright orange, yes, something like that. And then when you hover on these links, when you take your mouse pointer to there, we want it to change to orange. So let's give it a transition so that, yeah, that's very stylish. So after that, now we'll just look for a way. As you can see, everything is just working out. We'll look for a way to make the big that's to increase the font size to 3.8 and then we're going to justify the contour so that it should sit in the center, and then move it a little bit down. As you can see, everything is like normal, but I want to add something. Let's make our header scrollable. As you can see, the nav link